67 Woodrow, Bedford, Ohio. Awesome place. We just redid these stairs like brand new. So let's go inside. This has a very nice big living room area. High ceilings, new windows. A lot of room here. It's a really open floor plan. Same thing, this is your dining room, family room area. So you have a big area here too. A lot of places to entertain here. It's very, very nice. Again, everything's got the high ceilings. Then you have 2 bedrooms. Here's the first one. Big bedrooms, nice big bedrooms here that you can go into. And again, the high ceilings. There's 1 bathroom here with a tub shower. And then you have another room here. Again, this is a nice big bedroom, high ceilings. And it's all on the same floor. Your laundry's in the basement, just through this door here, and or excuse me, this door here, and then you have a nice kitchen, gas, microwave, really nice. Nice, a lot of storage here. So this is your virtual tour, and here's you have a fridge with this one too. So you have a stove, a fridge, and built-in microwave, gas cooking, nice amenities. So this is your update video or virtual tour of 67 Woodrow in Bedford, Ohio. Thanks.